In this tutorial in CyberLink PowerDirector, we're going to give you some tips on what to do when you need to modify your project and you have lots of text in your subtitle track. Please look at the following example, and then we'll show you how to make some modifications adjusting for subtitles as well as video, audio, and other elements. So in the example that you just saw, let's assume that we want to add another scene here. We're at the end of this first track, this video track, and we have the second one coming where the guy begins walking into the building. And in this case, we want to add another one. Now, the problem is I have lots of subtitles already on my subtitle track. How do I make room in order to move it? What I found is the best way to do this is hold the Control key down on the keyboard and highlight the video, and hold the Control key down and also click on any subtitle tracks that may be involved. And when you have them all selected, you can simply take and drag and move them wherever you want. Give yourself a large enough gap. And now I'm going to do another scene between these where we move here, and we've added a scene, and now we want to add some subtitles. The way that I like to add subtitles, if I have to do it manually, is I position the playhead about where I want it, and then I click on subtitles in the upper left corner, and then I can click on the plus, and it will add a subtitle at that particular place. And here I can go and add something. I'll just say sample. And so we've added a subtitle. I like to change the duration using the track. I find that a lot easier than changing the numbers, although you can do the in and out numbers on sample number 9. But you notice when I moved it, it took everything that was aligned with the video, that's now my third video clip on the track, and it kept the subtitles aligned perfectly. And then to bring them back, what we have to do is highlight that again using the Control key and select the subtitles as well. And now I have my third scene in here with the subtitles properly aligned. I'd like to see CyberLink do some more things that help us insert and move and replace elements with subtitle on the subtitle track, but for now this is the best way I found to make those kinds of changes manually in CyberLink PowerDirector.